When Sarah and Michael Johnson brought their baby girl home to meet their Siberian Husky, Julie, they felt nervous. They didn't know how Julie would react to the new family member. Baby Lily had a powerful cry that could rival an opera singer's, and no matter what her tired parents tried, nothing calmed her down. She would cry so hard it seemed like she might pass out. As days went by, Sarah and Michael's worry grew. They had heard stories of dogs not adjusting well to babies and kept Julie at a distance. Julie had been part of their family long before Lily was born. She was gentle, smart, and had stayed by Sarah's side through the pregnancy. But during that time, Julie's behavior had changed. Instead of cuddling, she sometimes froze and stared at Sarah, which made them anxious. Then came the night Lily's crying was relentless. Suddenly, Julie approached the baby and nudged her gently with her nose. Sarah and Michael watched in amazement as Julie stayed calm and close, as if she understood Lily's pain. Their worry deepened after Lily was hospitalized with a serious infection. One night, Julie sensed something was wrong before anyone else did. She pawed urgently at Sarah and led her straight to Lily's room. Thanks to Julie's alertness, they got Lily to the hospital just in time. At the hospital, Julie stayed by Lily's side like a guardian angel. She offered comfort with her presence and gentle licks, helping Lily heal. When Lily finally began to get better, every cry still made Sarah and Michael anxious. One night, they saw something incredible. Julie howled softly along with Lily's cries. The baby stopped crying and giggled at the sound. Sarah and Michael laughed, feeling relief flood the room. Julie's sweet howling became a magic cure whenever Lily got upset. As Lily grew, her bond with Julie only deepened. They became inseparable. Julie was more than a pet. She was a protector and a friend. Years later, during a walk in the forest, Julie found an abandoned puppy. Lily and Julie brought the puppy home, and the little family grew. Their story touched thousands online, reminding everyone that sometimes the strongest bonds come from the most unexpected places. Julie wasn't just a dog. She was a healer, protector, and beloved sister. What do you think about Julie's gentle care for Lily? Would you trust a big dog around your baby? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this heartwarming story, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for listening.